Hi guys, today we have the unboxing of 3x3x3 speed cube from Tamboora Flipkart. So I received the packaging right now. So I have already cut the seal. Now I will show you the packet. The cube is inside this one. So you can see this is the cube actually, which came from Flipkart. You can see the contents. Inside the package you will also have a tax invoice bill. It is here. You can pause the video and read it if you want. Okay, so we will come to the cube again. So we can see how beautiful it is. Weight is also not that much, maybe more or less 110 grams or 115 grams. Okay, let's unwrap it and then I'm joining with you. The packaging is okay, but not that okay-ish, because only a plastic wrapper is applied over it. So let's unwrap it and then I'm joining with you. So I'm back with the cube. You can see the product is very nice. Actually the colors are very vibrant. The movement is very fast. You can see how fast the movements are. No jitters in the movement, no hindrance. You can see the stability of the product. You can see the speed of the product. You can see how much the turn level is. You can turn even from here, I think. Yes, very good. From here you cannot. From here you can turn. Very good product. So you must buy this from Flipkart. I bought it for 186 rupees. So how was the unboxing? Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for other updates.